Good morning, everyone. It's a wonderful day, and we're going to the Bear Creek Waterfall in West Kelowna. It's about 32 degrees. We're gonna go for a little swim in it. The water is very cold though, so we'll see how I do. So let's go. The hike in is super easy. It's gonna take probably less than 15 minutes. I'm not even wearing hiking shoes. I just got my flip-flops on because, well, I'm gonna have to walk in a little bit of water too, so no point in having shoes that I just have to take off anyways. So let's go. There's two ways to view the waterfall. One's the common way, the one that everyone knows, and it's going up these stairs here. Maybe we'll go up the stairs, but not right now, because we're going to be going the other way, which is by that bridge. By that bridge, we're going to be taking a right after it, and straight towards where the waterfall is. Feels so refreshing right now, so this is going to be really nice. Super busy here today, look at that. Bunch of backpacks and stuff. But we're gonna keep moving. Guess I'm not the only one wanting to go for a swim. Oh my goodness, there's a whole crowd of kids. It's a bit crappy, maybe they'll clear out, we'll wait a little bit. So where they're all crowded, that's actually the part where there's fish in the water and whatnot that I want to show you. So I'm just gonna wait a bit and see if they leave. It's otherwise way too busy. But yeah, the water feels pleasant. So I'm super excited actually to jump into it for once. Usually cold water actually kills me. I went here when it was cold, hated every second. People left, you can now go over there. It's gonna be a bit chilly, but we'll see. Before we swim across where the other people are, let's have a look if we can see any of the fish. Woo. Belly buttons, that's also that's where I don't like it. Whoa. That's nice. Okay, the water feels pretty good. You know, cold but good. So let's go one last peek underwater. Let's swim. Mine. Woo, okay. Okay, I got dipped under once at least, you know. Let's do it. Yeah, that feels awesome. Woo! So we just swam across that. Just around the corner, we got the waterfall. I braced myself for this to be so much colder than it actually was, so everyone's having a much more severe reaction than I am right now today. But wow, it is beautiful. Look at that. We're coming back here in the winter because I'm ice climbing it again. and I want to record. Alright, time to head back to this stuff. I don't want nothing stolen. There's big fish in there. I'm seeing if I can get any on camera. Are you going to dive now or are you just going to go on it? I'm just going to...
Preston! I'm coming over! I'm coming over!
Okay, we're heading back now. It's a nice swim. I'm looking at the camera right now and oh, I look so bright. I swear I'm a little tan, but my arms are tan. I have a farmer's tan, let's be honest. Yeah. Woo. So that's Bear Creek for you guys. What a nice waterfall. Oh. Okay, part 2. We're going up the stairs and having a top-down view of the waterfall now. It's a good view still, so let's get her done. After the stairs, you're rewarded for a quick view of the Okanagan Lake, and right over there is downtown Kelowna. What a nice view. Okay, let's keep going. The gravel on the uphill, it's kind of hard to walk on when you're wearing flip-flops. Keep slipping out a little bit, but wow, it is hot out today. I usually don't like hiking in anything above 30 because it's killer. Sometimes you gotta. Maybe I should have done the hike first and then go for the swim, like a reward. Maybe I'll get a Slurpee. That's a good reward. Okay, we've gotten to the viewpoint and we get to see the entire waterfall from here and where we swam, maybe. Wow, okay. Here it is. We're way above it now. Down there is where we swam. Well, where we were sitting, we went right in the middle there and under the waterfall. Down there, we started our swim across to here and then to the waterfall. And there's another waterfall above it, a small one right there, which we couldn't see. So what we're gonna do in the winter is we're gonna come down there. We're gonna ice climb up here, ice climb here, keep going, and we keep on going to smaller waterfalls and kind of making a trip out of it. But that's in winter. We are still middle of summer, so we have more adventures to continue. Woo! I'm just hot right now. Man, I could use a drink. Okay, let's head down and I'll see you in the car. Back to the car. Let's get a reward. I realized before we do anything else, let's talk about it real quick. Okay, here's some information about Bear Creek Falls. The hiking distance is about 500 meters. Hiking time takes 15 minutes to the viewpoint. We didn't go on the viewpoint, so I mean, can't really say that's the same. Although Bear Creek Provincial Park is one of the most popular summer camping destinations in the Kelowna region, don't let that deter you from hiking to one of the most spectacular waterfalls in the Okanagan. The Cottonwood Line Creek below the Cascade Lookout offers refuge from the summer sun a chance to dip your toes and beat the heat. And that's what we did. Yeah, basically though, the hiking directions is follow along and the hike. On the second bridge, you take a right onto the creek and you just keep on going until the end. Yeah, okay. Now that out of the way, let's do something else. Officially got my reward, let's go. Okay, so that's it for this episode. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you at the next waterfall.